Hey guys, Summertime Kev, and we're in Poppy's kitchen today. You're watching delicious feel-good foods and recipes on YouTube. And we're doing my favorite cold weather food. Football's here, Halloween's past, Thanksgiving's on the way. There's a crispness in the air. It's chilly outside. That's it. My favorite cold weather food is chili. So we're not just gonna do chili. We're gonna do homemade chili, and then we're gonna do something real special to it. We're gonna raclette the chili. Yes, we're gonna raclette the chili, which means we're gonna scrape melted, gooey, delicious, caramelly rich raclette cheese onto the chili when it's right before we eat it. So we're gonna take raclette cheese, we're gonna melt it, and raclette cheese is a very smooth and creamy and nutty and just delicious cheese. And then we're gonna melt that so we can scrape it on the chili. But that's not all. Right before we put it on the chili, we're gonna set that raclette on fire. Raclette on fire. And we're gonna use some alcohol. This 190 proof, 95% alcohol. That stuff is dangerous. That's gonna burn. Don't play with this, don't drink this. But you can cook with it. So we're gonna heat that chili up, and it'll bubble it and get it so hot it'll take those natural sugars in the cheese and caramelize them, and it's gonna be a sweeter, more robust, creamy deliciousness on top of homemade chili. You're not gonna wanna miss this one. Let's go do it. So this is the homemade pot of chili that was made ahead of time. It was made yesterday. You can use any recipe. I'm going to include this one in the comment section below because it is simple and it is so delicious. Now let me just say, the chili was amazing by itself, but when you add raclette to it, now this raclette's been sitting underneath my warmer for about 20-25 minutes, so it's bubbly and hot. I mean, it's ready to scrape. But I thought, well, what the heck? Flame it up, set it on fire, get some of that natural sugar caramelized, and then scrape it on the chili. And I'm telling you what, I love chili. I love chili any way you fix it, but this took it a step up. Normally I put cheddar on it, or a Munster, or some sort of cheese, but this was amazing. And to top it off, I decided to fire it up again. And it was just gooey. It was just delicious. And the problem was I had not eaten all morning, and it was already 12 o'clock in the afternoon. I got up at 6. So I am hungry. I was lucky I even got pictures of this, and it was delicious. It's every bit as good as it looks. I would eat that once a week if I could. I know eating all that much cheese and probably not all that good for you, but it is fresh cow's milk cheese, and I love it. Thanks a lot for watching, you guys. Check out my YouTube channel, Delicious Feel Good Foods and Recipes. I've got tons of raclette scrapes, and I put raclette on everything. Plus, there's all kinds of other fun recipes to try and watch me try. And just about everything I make is easy to duplicate or replicate. You can always do it at your house. Most of the time I make my stuff on what I've got in the house. So make cooking fun again. Check out my channel and try some of those recipes. Like I said, they're easy recipes. There's nothing hard about them, but they are delicious. Cook for yourself, cook for someone else, eat together, love together. God bless and be good, and see you guys next time.